Guys, tara mag-detox tayo. Nagawa tayo ng lemon cucumber juice. Prepare this ingredient: pipino, lemon, chia seed, honey. Hugasan mabuti ang pipino at lemon. Squeeze na natin ng lemon. Ito yung juicer namin. Nalagay ko na yung pipino. At ilagay ito sa malinis na bote. Okay, titimplahan na natin. Na natin ang lemon. Next, ang honey. The orange store. Which kids you think we should use? Then, chia seed. You must stop brand store. Guys, try nyo tong juice na pan-detox sa katawan. Super healthy and super sarap. Chill in the fridge and drink. Okay na. Thanks for watching.